Before inserting your Yummy Yoni egg, sanitize your egg before use. When you're ready, get into a comfortable position. Squatting or laying down on your back are the easiest and simplest way to insert your yoni egg. Relax your vaginal muscles and prepare for insertion. With your free hand, separate your labia and place the larger end of the egg in between. Slowly and gently push the Yummy Yoni egg deeper inside your vaginal canal until you reach a comfortable depth. Remember to insert the larger end of the egg first, so string is hanging down for removal. While inserted, use your vaginal muscles to squeeze your egg. By contracting and releasing the egg, you can strengthen or tone your vaginal muscles and create new nerve endings to increase sensitivity. The goal is to keep your egg inserted. Sneezing or coughing could push your egg out. For results, practice using your Yummy Yoni egg for 15 minutes to no longer than 8 hours a day. I hope this video was helpful for you. If so, subscribe. To learn more about our Yummy Yoni eggs, read about it in the description below. Visit us online at prettykittyboutique.net to shop.